In front of me is a Huawei P30 and I will show you how to enable Do Not Disturb mode. To get going, we'll pull down from the top, the menu, and either you can see the Do Not Disturb mode here between those icons, or if it's not visible here, you will have to add it, and it should be somewhere here, like it is for me. So I'll just grab and drag it all the way here, go back, and as you can see now it's here. And then I can either activate it by tapping on it and it will go as default to whatever the manufacturer set as default Do Not Disturb, or I can just hold it and go into settings where I will be able to customize it to however I like. So you can either set it on schedule or basically as it was by default. And on schedule you have the option to set it basically to work only on Saturday or Sunday or Monday through Friday every day, or custom, which you will be able to set each particular day of the week that you want it to affect. Then you can choose the time frame, so from to, basically when it begins and when it ends. And then later on you have the allow interruptions for calls, and you can choose either basically everyone, which would make this kind of useless because everybody would be able to call you anyway, contacts only, or favorite, which I guess favorite would be probably the best, or no one. So the one would basically every number and everything would be on the Do Not Disturb terms. And then same goes for messages, same options and same logic behind it. And once you set it, you can enable it by switching it here, Do Not Disturb, and then it's in action. As you can see by this little logo right here of the little moon. And if you want to disable it, you can just pull it down and disable it by tapping on it, and now it's off. Now, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thank you for watching.